Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and every effort is made by our firm to educate the viewing public on family law issues and issues that interact with what goes on in the family courts. Therefore, we're going to talk today about something that has to do with enforcement of PPOs, very significant in family law. Please subscribe. Now, when we talk about enforcements of personal protection orders, the question becomes, how do you put teeth into the order? In other words, let's say you go and you achieve the acquisition of a personal protection order. That order basically says that so-and-so requires our protection, therefore the court is going to order that a certain person, let's say, can't be within 500 yards of you. A person can't stalk you. A person can't do this, can't call you, can't do this, can't do that. That's great. It's great to have a piece of paper that dictates your rights and the duties, right? The problem is, how do we enforce it if the person violates? So let's say you have the PPO, and all of a sudden you realize you're shopping, this person happens to be in the same store as you, so you go to a different place, they show up there, you get the sense that the order is being violated. What do? Well, a very important thing is, number one, if you feel you're in jeopardy, obviously you've got to call the authorities and you've got to make sure that you're protected. From a legal standpoint, let's say you're not physically in jeopardy, but it's creeping. The person's hanging out, the person's violating the rules, the person's doing these things to terrorize you in that sense, if not physically, then mentally. What should be done is you should contact your lawyer, and appropriate motions should be filed to have them held in contempt because they violated the court's order. A PPO is a court order. If they violate the court order, the court can take action. All sorts of action. When there's a violation of an order, a court can admonish someone, a court can fine someone, a court can put someone in jail. So there's all sorts of things that the court can do, but the court does not know that these remedies are required unless you let them know. So it's important for you to contact your lawyer as soon as possible, have them file the appropriate motions for violating the personal protection order, and then you'll get appropriate protection and relief. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.